I want to show you how to make these super cute earrings, kitty earrings, with the Moricast ear caps. So basically I've got a 2-inch head pin. If you've got longer, that'd be great, with bicones and pearl with 8 mm black faceted bead and the caps. Then what I do is I use round nose pliers, make a loop, make a full loop, and then I just keep wrapping, and I like to do it this way and just push the pin along like this. Then I cut and I'm pretty much finished. Add the ear hook while I bend the tail as well at the very end, and then you're done. This, if you want to bend it, there you have it.